Integrated within the elegant control surface of the Soundtracs DS-3 lies a unique approach to console ergonomics. Simple to use and yet providing enormous flexibility. Let's take a closer look. The Soundtracs DS-3 is a digital console which works using MADI digital audio signals. Up to 96 fully featured digital channels are simply controlled by 16 input faders and 8 additional master faders with an audio frequency response of 20 Hz to 20 kHz. The 16 input faders are divided into 2 identical control sections. 6 fader bank buttons allow the fader section to easily switch between any of the available input channels in banks of 8. Full dynamic and snapshot automation is provided for all of the touch-sensitive motorised faders, mutes and surround pans. A key feature of the DS-3 are its 3 touchscreen monitors. Each input channel can be touch selected for input routing, and the DS-3 digital engine provides dedicated 24-bit processing for its powerful 4-band parametric EQ with high and low pass filters, and some excellent visual control over the EQ curve. The DS-3 also features an acclaimed dynamic section with a compressor de-esser and gate expander available for every channel. The on-screen touch keyboard can be used for naming input channels and effects routing, or a hardware computer keyboard is also provided. The master section touchscreen controls the console's soft busing configuration. 32 buses can be routed between a combination of group outputs or auxiliary sends, and changes can be made at any point in the session, all under full dynamic control. Mixing formats include mono, stereo, LCRS and 5.1 surround sound with joystick panning. The external MADI multi-channel audio-digital interface rack supplied with the console converts 24 analog and 24 AES EBU digital input signals. These 48 inputs are supplied to the console using a single coaxial cable, which can be up to 30 meters long. The 48 outputs from the console are sent back to the MADI rack by another coaxial cable, providing 24 analog and 24 AES EBU outputs. This digital to analog conversion achieves a staggering 114 dB signal to noise ratio. A Soundtracs MADI rack can accommodate 7 8-channel audio input and 7 8-channel output analog or digital modules, and therefore up to 56 inputs and 56 outputs can be provided by one MADI rack. The analog modules have mic and line inputs plus channel inserts on EDAC connectors, and the console can accommodate up to 2 MADI racks. The Soundtracs DS-3 is an outstanding digital production console, the forerunner of the very successful DPC2 and the current range of DiGiCo digital desks, which also use the same MADI digital system. If you would like more information on any of our vintage analog consoles or contemporary used recording equipment, then please come and visit us at larkingslist.com.